Are you ready to elevate your guitar playing with the ideal amplifier? Choosing the right amp can transform your sound, meeting the needs of various genres and personal preferences. In this video, we explore the top guitar amplifiers tailored for different styles and uses. Whether you're seeking the rich tones of a tube amplifier or the consistency of a solid-state amp, we've got you covered. From gigging essentials to portable options, discover the amps that combine performance, durability, and budget. Let's dive in and find the perfect amplifier to amplify your musical journey. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Boss Katana 100 Merc II. Meet the Boss Katana 100 Merc II, your ultimate budget-friendly gigging amp. Packed with features that rival pricier models, this amp is a game changer. The Boss Katana 100 Merc II brings you incredible sound for an affordable price. No tubes needed here. The solid-state design proves technology has truly advanced. With 5 channels, including clean, crunch, lead, brown, and acoustic, it caters to every musical style. This versatility ensures you have the perfect tone for any gig. 15 built-in effects elevate your sound to professional levels. Everything from delay to chorus to tremolo echoes the legendary quality of Boss stomp boxes. When you connect the Katana 100 to your PC, you unlock an additional 60 effects via Boss Tone Lab. This extra layer of customization is what sets it apart from many competitors. Portability is another key benefit, making it ideal for frequent giggers. Lightweight but powerful, it can handle various venues without breaking a sweat. The build quality is solid, ensuring durability over countless performances. One thing to note, the user interface can be a bit overwhelming initially. However, with a little practice, it becomes second nature. What's most impressive is how this amp harmonizes affordability with top-notch sound. The Boss Katana 100 Merc II offers unparalleled versatility, high-quality effects, and gig-ready power. Number 4. Orange Micro Dark. Prepare to be amazed by the Fender Mustang LT25. This little powerhouse is perfect for achieving rich metal tones with ease. Combining great sound, portability, and useful connectivity options, this amp is a must-have for any guitarist. You'll love the classic orange mid-range and the range of gain, perfect for everything from classic rock to djent. The clean channel offers a lovely contrast to its higher gain settings, giving you flexibility for various styles. It's ideal for intense home practice sessions or small gigs, even though it's tiny. One of its standout features is the emulated speaker output. This allows you to DI it straight to a desk or add it to your home recording setup. Silent practice is a breeze thanks to this handy headphone out. Your neighbors will thank you. Compared to similar models, this one offers exceptional value for money. Its compact size and lightweight make it incredibly portable. Yet, it delivers sound levels that might require earplugs. It's far smaller than a 4x12 cabinet, but can easily compete in terms of sound quality. It might be a bit too tiny for larger gigs, but for most practice sessions and small venues, it performs admirably. Overall, this amp offers a comprehensive feature set that will impress any player. Still searching for the perfect guitar amp? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Fender Mustang LT25. This amp rocks. The Fender Mustang LT25 is the perfect beginner's guitar amp. With 30 onboard presets, it offers a wide array of sounds. From clean Fender tones to high-gain metal madness, this amp has it all. The variety of high-quality effects, including compressors, reverbs, and delays, helps you shape your unique sound. Even advanced effects like pitch shifters and auto-wah are easy to access. You'll find these tools incredibly user-friendly, which is great for newbies. Its compact size makes it easy to take to a friend's house for a jam session. The output is just enough to play alongside another guitarist. While it won't outshine a drum kit, the volume is perfect for your needs. The affordable price is another reason why this amp stands out. It's a fantastic deal considering all the features packed in. Similar models like the Line 6 Spider V20 offer fewer presets and effects at a higher cost. One downside is that it may not be powerful enough for larger venues. However, for home practice and small gigs, it's perfect. The thing I love the most is how easy it is to use. For beginners, this is crucial. New players can experiment without feeling overwhelmed. The Fender Mustang LT25 is a killer beginner guitar amp. Number 2. Positive Grid Spark. Meet the Positive Grid Spark, an absolute game changer for home practice. This 40-watt powerhouse is way more than meets the eye. At first glance, it might seem like any other amp, but the Spark is loaded with advanced tech. Driven by the bias tone engine, it recreates iconic tube amps and effects with stunning accuracy. The Spark app unlocks this amp's full potential, transforming it into the ultimate practice tool. One standout feature is auto chord. This cool innovation lets you figure out chords from any song on Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube. Need a backing band? The Smart Jam feature has got you covered. It listens to your notes and crafts a backing track in your style. It's like having a virtual band that jams along with you. The app also offers more than 10,000 tone presets. That's an enormous palette for every guitarist to explore. Practice becomes playtime with that much variety at your fingertips. Though it performs well, at high volumes, sound clarity slightly dips. This can be managed by adjusting the volume settings. Far from a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. All these features make the Positive Grid Spark the best guitar amp for home practice. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Fender 65 Deluxe Reverb. Fender 65 Deluxe Reverb rocks. This iconic combo guitar amp delivers crisp, clean tones and gritty tube overdrive, making it perfect for any genre. The mid-sized member of Fender's black panel line, it includes the 65 Princeton Reverb and 65 Twin Reverb, boasts incredible tonal flexibility. Its 12-inch Jensen speaker and 22 watts of power provide impressive headroom, ensuring clean recordings and powerful live sessions. The classic tube amp design, powered by 9 valves, adds to the warm, lush tones, while the built-in tremolo and spring reverb offer rich sound sculpting options. Great for rock, jazz, blues, and country, it offers flexibility across various styles. You'll appreciate the two-band EQ, which makes dialing in your perfect tone a breeze. Compared to other models like the 65 Princeton Reverb, the Deluxe Reverb strikes a balance between power and portability. The weight might be a bit hefty due to its robust construction. However, this makes it durable and roadworthy. Transport can be a drag, but the sound quality compensates well. The 65 Princeton Reverb is lighter with a slightly different sound profile, ideal if portability is a concern. After using the Fender 65 Deluxe Reverb extensively, it's clear why it's a favorite. Its superb tone and versatility make it the best overall guitar amp. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best guitar amps. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which guitar amp you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.